This is the ByJoy 3-in-1 pole hedge trimmer. It has an 8.3-foot adjustable pole to get your hard-to-reach hedges. Not only is this a great hedger, it's also a great edger. The cordless trimmer comes with grass shears too. So yeah, this tool is really versatile. I got these hedge trimmers sent to me to make a video about. The nice thing about these hedge trimmers is they got this big long pole on them that's adjustable. It's got these clips right here on the side, and then it's spring loaded. There's like a nice spring on it, so you can pull it out and clip it. And then the same thing down here on this one. It's got a spring on it, so you can pull it out like that, and now you got a nice long hedge trimmer. And then if you decide if you want a shorter one, you can adjust it to however you want. Adjust it down like that. And then if you want to use it as a handheld hedge trimmer, you just release the button there, and you take your battery off the bottom. And now you got a handheld hedge trimmer. You can also adjust the angle however you want, like this, just by pushing these buttons in. And not only can you use this as a hedge trimmer, you can also use it as a weed whacker too, especially out here by the pool. You don't want to use a weed eater because it's going to kick gravel and rocks up everywhere. So this thing's pretty nice. It's got another head on it to trim weeds and to trim grass with. All right, let me go ahead and show you the other head. This is the short blade. It's 5.1 inches wide, and it's designed to cut grass and edges on small lawns. This edger works really good for getting the weeds around my pool too. Unlike a traditional weed eater that flings rocks and gravels all over the place, this edger just takes out the weeds and the grass, and it doesn't kick rocks all around. So if you're always trying to trim the weeds back around your pool like I am, and you're tired of fishing rocks out of your pool, you might want to give the shears on this hedger a try. It sure is nice to have a yard tool like this to chop down the weeds without kicking rocks everywhere. It's really nice to be able to trim hedges around the yard without having to mess with an extension cord too. The edger also comes with two 4-amp-hour batteries. A lot of battery-powered tools just come with one battery. So yeah, not only do you not have to mess with an extension cord, but you get two batteries too, so you should have plenty of power to get the job done. And if you can't reach high enough to get your tree all trimmed up, you can attach the hedger to a pole. With the adjustable pole, that'll give you a pretty good reach too. You can reach up to 15 feet with this thing. To change back and forth between the hedger and the edger, there's two buttons on the side. You just push these buttons in, and then you can pull off the hedger and then put on the edger. This is what the edger looks like. You can see it's got the 5.1-inch shear blades on it. This is what they look like on the front and back, so you can see they'll do some serious weeding for you. They can get a little dirty though, so in order to keep the blade sharp, I like to put a little bit of 3-in-1 oil on it when I'm done. You just put this on the blades and then run it, and that'll get everything all cleaned up and keep your blades nice and sharp. So yeah, whether you're looking for a handheld hedge trimmer or whether you got some really tall hedges and you need a pole for, this thing's pretty nice. Plus you can also get weeds and grass with it too.